The LED clap activated circuit is supplied 9 volts DC. This voltage is acquired after 240 volt AC is transformed into 14.5 volts, rectified through a full wave bridge rectifier, filtered through capacitor C1, then regulated using an LM317. An operational amplifier, UA741CP, is fed two different voltages through two dividers. The positive input is supplied 3.96 volts between resistor R5 of 1k ohm and a combination of two resistors, R6 and R7, to give 780 ohms. This is made up of a 680 and a 100 ohm resistor in series. The negative input on the 741 is supplied 3.874 volts between resistor R4 of 18k ohm and the electret microphone transducer. As the electret microphone detects the sound waves from the initial clap, its internal capacitance is altered, thus creating a variance in the voltage, which in turn sends an electrical signal to the 741 negative input pin. This signal is amplified through the 741 and a high output is sent to pin 14, the clock input of the CD4017BE. Resistor R8 of 10k ohms is connected between the output of the 741 and the 0 volt leg to keep the output low to avoid any unwanted activations of the 4017. The 4017 is converted from a counter into a toggle switch by bridging output 2 and reset together. When the 4017 receives the first pulse from a clap signal, output 1 is set high, putting 9 volts to the base of the transistor BC547. After the 4017 receives another high pulse at the clock input from a following clap, output 2 is set high, which in turn activates the reset, setting the counter back to 0 with an output at Q0, which is left unconnected. Another clap will repeat this process of setting output 1 high again. Once output 1 is set high, 9 volts is delivered to the base of T1, the BC547 NPN transistor, through 3 resistors in series, R9, 10 and 11. The values for these resistors are calculated to be 47k ohms, 18k ohm and a 10k ohm resistor in series. These deliver a base current of 0.11 milliamps, which saturates the transistor and allows full collector current to flow through the coil of relay K1. This current then operates the K1 contacts and closes the normally open contact for the green LED, allowing a current of 7.1 milliamps to flow through resistor R12 of value 1k ohm. The LED is then illuminated until another clap signal is received with the IC3, the CD4017BE.